Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, dolsymomsyrhymes. And here's my beautiful daughter.
Hey guys, I am Dalsy.
Dalsy, what are you up to today?
Oh, you assumed it right, Mom. There is something going on in my mind. I'm thinking to enhance our vocabulary, as it will help me to perform better in my school's upcoming competition.
Why not? You should definitely go for it.
Okay, so what if you will tell me some body parts, and I'll create sentences out of them, as it will help me to memorize all the body parts in easy way, and I'm sure I'll win the upcoming vocabulary competition.
Interesting. That sounds too good. I'll love to help you. Wrist.
Wore a watch on her wrist.
Jawline.
His strong jawline made him look confident.
Ankle.
She twisted her ankle while running.
Adam's apple.
His Adam's apple moved when he swallowed.
Collarbone.
Her collarbone showed above her low-cut shirt.
Temple.
She touched her temple to ease the pain.
Armpit.
He sweated under his armpits during the workout.
Elbow.
He bumped his elbow on the door.
Calf.
Her calf muscles were sore after hiking.
Navel.
Her navel was visible in her belly button shirt.
Knee.
He hurt his knee playing soccer.
Knuckles.
His knuckles were white from gripping the steering wheel.
So today, I've helped Dalsy in increasing her vocabulary by a simple conversation. I hope Dalsy will win her competition and make me proud. If you also want to improve your English, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
And don't forget to share Dolsymomsy platform with your friends.